Hello everyone, welcome back to the last part of chemical control and coordination notes. So this will be part 4 and today this chapter will end. So let's start. So the first topic is testes. A pair of testes is located in the scrotal sac outside the abdomen in males. The testes perform two functions. First, it acts as primary sex organ in males, and second, it acts as an endocrine gland. It is composed of seminiferous tubules and stromal or interstitial tissues. Leydig cells, which are secreted by testes, produce androgens. Androgens further secrete hormone testosterone. The functions of androgens is to regulate the male sex organs and to stimulate the muscular growth and growth of facial hairs in males. It stimulates the process of spermatogenesis. It also produces an anabolic synthetic effect on the protein and carbohydrate metabolism. Next gland is the ovary. So a pair of ovaries are present in the abdomen of females. They are primary female sex organs and they produce the ovum. Ovary produce two hormones. One is estrogen and second is progesterone. Ovaries are composed of ovarian follicles and stromal tissues. These ovarian follicles undergo ovulation and produce corpus luteum. Corpus luteum secretes the hormone progesterone. The functions of estrogen are growth of female sex organs, development of ovarian follicle, mammary gland development, and high pitch of voice in females. The functions of progesterone is it supports in pregnancy and formation of alveoli in the mammary glands and milk secretion in females. Very important topic is the hormones of heart, kidney and the gastrointestinal tract. So first hormone is the atrial natriuretic factor. The function of ANS is to decrease the blood pressure. Next hormone is juxtaglomerular cells or JG cells. These are present in kidney and they produce a hormone known as erythropoietin. This erythropoietin stimulates the process of erythropoiesis, that is the formation of RBCs. Now next is the gastrointestinal tract or GIT hormones. There are four major peptide hormones in the GIT. First gastrin, second secretin, then cholecystokinin, and then GIP, which is gastric inhibitory peptide hormone. Let's discuss the GIT hormones in detail. First is gastrin. Gastrin acts on the gastric glands and stimulates the secretion of HCl and pepsinogen. Next, secretin, which acts on the exocrine pancreas and stimulates the secretion of water and bicarbonate ions. Then cholecystokinin acts on both pancreas and gallbladder and they stimulate the secretion of pancreatic enzymes and the bile juice respectively. Gastric inhibitory peptide hormone inhibits the gastric secretion and motility. Next topic is the mechanism of hormone action. Let's see how the hormone action works. The hormones will first target the tissue by binding to a specific protein which is called as the hormone receptor. This hormone receptor, when present on the cell membrane of the target cell, is called membrane-bound receptor. And when this hormone receptor is present inside the target cell, then it is known as intracellular receptor. Binding of hormone to its receptor leads to formation of hormone receptor complex. The receptors are thus specific. So on the basis of the chemical nature, hormones are divided as peptide, polypeptide or protein hormones, which includes insulin and glucagon. There is steroid hormones, which includes cortisol, testosterone, estradiol and progesterone. Third is iodothyronines, which include the thyroid hormones. Fourth is amino acid derivatives, which includes the epinephrine. Now the hormones which interact with the membrane-bound receptors, they generate secondary messengers like cyclic AMP, IP3 and calcium 2+ ions. Hormones which interact with the intracellular receptors, they will regulate gene expressions or chromosomes functions by interaction the hormone receptor complex with the genome. So that marks the end of this chapter. I hope you all understood the chapter and all the concepts very well. Please suggest me what chapter notes you want in the upcoming videos in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.